Bonus video! Mavdoc has been pooping eggs, and we're gonna see how many he's left behind. Let's go! Oh my god. It's a bit of a mess and not exactly regular, but oh my god. I'm not going to get all of them. We got green, we got pink, we've got a few here as well. Egg diarrhea. Oh my god, another load of yellow ones. That one's a natural one. Yeah, that's a natural one. So the ones that have been spawned aren't granting. Purple. It's been quite interesting for testing today. And someone may already have been here, so yeah. And there's some blue ones. I'm still gonna leave a few. And there's bit 390s arrived, and there's a lot here as well. I'm not getting all of them. Quite an interesting test. We've had giant golden egg, we've had giant normal sized egg, and that one's normal spawn. And he's probably gone by now. Yeah, he's gone now. How about here? We've still got a lot here. There's car show. And I've accidentally gone into the bar. Oh. I've accidentally gone into the bar. Oh. Eggs can't legally drink. Oh, and I think I'm going to end it there.